word categorical means something that is absolute, clear-cut, and without any conditions or exceptions. When we say something is categorical, we're emphasizing that it's definitive, with no room for doubt or ambiguity. The term often conveys a sense of firmness and finality. Etymology and roots. The word categorical comes from the Greek word kategoria, meaning a charge or accusation. Over time, it evolved to represent a classification or assertion, eventually gaining the meaning we use today, something unambiguous and definitive. Examples in sentences. The manager gave a categorical refusal to the proposal, meaning the refusal was clear and firm, with no room for negotiation. Her commitment to the project was categorical, indicating that her commitment was unwavering and without hesitation. Usage and nuance. Categorical statements are often bold and leave little room for debate. They are direct and to the point, which can make them powerful, but also sometimes confrontational or inflexible. In logic and philosophy, categorical statements are used to express universal truths or absolutes, e.g., all humans are mortal. Synonyms. Words like absolute, unqualified, definitive, and unconditional can carry similar meanings, though categorical is particularly useful when you want to underscore certainty and exclude exceptions. In essence, categorical is a word that speaks to firmness, certainty, and a lack of ambiguity, making it useful for moments when you want to convey clarity without compromise.